Hello everyone, it's day 56. Today I started my day with fixing a bug in my restaurant webpage that I posted yesterday. It was brought to my attention that somebody looked at my website and on the menu page, the footer was showing like at the middle of the page opposed to being at the bottom, which no matter like what view, if I like minimize it and expand it out, like to check for responsiveness, on my laptop anyway, I could never get it to show or whatever. But like I just played with the min height, max height, using 100 view age versus 100% until I came up with a solution. I asked them to look at it again. They said it would work fine or whatever. So got that done. I did a review of JavaScript. Well, we'll continue my review, I guess you could say. I looked through like my Udemy courses, and like whenever I see free Udemy courses, like being on the topic, I just go ahead and get them just because you never know when they'll come in handy. And there was actually one that I think I just got yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. It's a basic to advanced JavaScript course. It's only like 10 hours. The difference is he doesn't work on a project. He literally goes in CodePen and gives you just examples of things like, for example, string methods, array methods. He'll just be like, all right, here's how you use sort. Here's an example. Because like I know a lot of Udemy courses are more so focused on making a project. And the downside to that is you learn how to do a concept, but it's like tied to just that project. It's not really universal. You can like take that concept and then apply it to anything else. Whereas I'd much rather get the concept down than I can, on my own apply it to whatever. But anyway, so I've been going through that. I think I probably watched like 9 or 10 sections of it. It's actually pretty decent to be free. So I definitely lucked up on that one. Also found a guy called Caleb Curry on JavaScript. Caleb Curry on YouTube. He has this 100 video playlist of YouTube of JavaScript tutorials that he posted. You can either watch just the 9-hour course in one go, or he has like the different snippets of each video that he put together. And he's another one where he starts off just like writing on a chalkboard, which I appreciate that. And then he goes to the code editor and shows just specific examples. So far, nothing like here, let's make a project type deal. So I was looking at a problem on Free Code Camp because I still have not finished the JavaScript section. So it was about searching through a multi-dimensional array, and like most courses or whatever just go through regular arrays, not so much multi-dimensional. He breaks it down like how to use for each with a multi-dimensional array, which I thought that was very useful. Like I was going along, I probably made like 10 CodePens today, just following along, like seeing how he went about solving it or whatever, so I can use for later reference. Because my big thing now was on problem solving, algorithms, data structures. So like I've got to the point where I'm pretty comfortable like making a website, using JavaScript in a website. I just want to like find the most efficient way of doing what I know how to do, if that makes any sense. So, but anyway, another thing I did was I continued on with Execute Program, the little array exercise course that I'm doing. I went over index of, join, and map. It stops you after so many exercises, like they lock the rest of the exercises until 24 hours. And then when you start, you have to start off with a review. Then you can do so many new lessons and the process repeats itself again, which I appreciate. So the information really is sticking though. So I'm glad I lucked up on that course too. And then to end the day, I watched the week 1 lecture for CS50. I'm on my second week. This one was on C. I basically felt like I learned like the basics of C in like 2 hours, which was kind of awesome. I thought it would be like kind of hard, but I don't know if I probably mentioned this before. I don't remember. When I was a computer science major, I learned with JavaScript and C++, and I mean not JavaScript, Java and C++. So like there's a lot of similarities between between C and C++. Java was so long ago, I couldn't tell you if I remember if it's similarities or not. I'm sure it is. But anyway, it actually wasn't that bad. And like, even though he was like going over the syntax of C, like his explanation was still universal. Like you can apply it to JavaScript or whatever program languages you learned at the time. So He also had short videos. So the lecture itself is like, 2 hours and 15 minutes, I think, for this week. So that took a while because I had to keep pausing because I was writing notes. And then there's short videos, which is like anywhere from like 10 minutes to like 20 minutes just on a specific topic. Like this week was on like data structure. I mean, data structures, like variables, loops, and all that, but like how to do that in C. So like he had a short for each one. So I watched all but the last one on the command line. I just was tired of watching videos for the day, so I'll watch that video tomorrow. Total, I probably watched like 10 hours of videos today, not even joking. And also see what the lab is about and what the homework is about. I may just go ahead and knock that out, just because I'm kind of really excited about the next week on arrays, just because that's my like weak point. And so any resource on arrays I can get, I'm looking forward to it. So, but yeah, overall, good day. Let's keep going.